Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into MissRosier.com, the site behind those eye-catching dresses that seem to follow you around the internet like a needy ex. The big question is this website actually legit, or is your credit card about to go on a solo adventure? Let's find out together. On the surface, Miss Rosier is your typical online fashion boutique, peddling everything from elegant evening gowns to chic everyday sets. They even sell jewelry to complete the look, assuming the look you're going for is, I bought this at 2 a.m. after 3 glasses of wine. Checking the background, the domain was registered back in 2023, meaning it survived for over 2 years. In the world of online shopping, that's practically an eternity, as most scam sites vanish faster than a salad at a barbecue. They also boast a massive Instagram following of over 700,000 people. They actually post updates and engage with their audience, which is a nice change from brands that treat their customers like ghosts. They even offer live chat and email support, giving the impression that they're open, transparent, and might actually care about your existence. The collection itself looks stylish and trendy, with a surprising push for sustainability. They claim to use eco-friendly fabrics and conduct factory audits to meet high ethical standards. It's a lovely sentiment, provided eco-friendly doesn't just mean the dress will decompose by the time it finally reaches your front door. However, here is where things get interesting: the reviews. You won't find a single customer review on their own website, which is always a totally normal and not at all suspicious choice. We headed over to Trustpilot and Reddit to see what people are actually saying, and the feedback is a bit of a roller coaster. Some shoppers are thrilled, claiming the designs look like luxury brands for a fraction of the cost. But then there's the other side of the coin. Many customers complained that the clothes didn't match the photos, the fabrics felt cheap, and the overall quality was a bit of a disaster. Apparently, chic is sometimes code for made of recycled umbrellas. Then there's the shipping and return saga. Many reported massive delays, and trying to return an item sounds like a nightmare involving expensive fees and endless back-and-forth emails. To top it off, they market themselves as a UK company while shipping everything from China. It turns out their definition of local is anywhere with a postal code. My honest conclusion? Proceed with caution. If you're tempted, maybe start with something small to test the waters before spending your life savings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews that tell it like it is.